Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SPF DKIM DMARC in Mailchimp step by step clearly. To verify SPF, DKIM, and DMARC in Mailchimp, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Go to the account icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Domains under the Settings section. Next, locate the domain you want to verify. If your domain is not listed, click on Verify a Domain to add it. Once your domain is added, you will see options for verifying SPF and DKIM. For SPF, you need to copy the SPF record provided by Mailchimp. Log into your domain hosting provider. Access the DNS settings for your domain. Add a new TXT record and paste the SPF information you copied. Save the changes and check for propagation, which may take some time. Next, for DKIM verification, look for the DKIM record in Mailchimp. Copy the DKIM value provided. Again, return to your domain hosting provider's DNS settings. Add another new TXT record for DKIM. Paste the DKIM value into the appropriate field. Save the changes and wait for them to propagate. Once both records are set, go back to Mailchimp. Click on the Check DNS button next to SPF and DKIM. Mailchimp will confirm if the records are correctly configured. Now to set up DMARC, create a new TXT record in your DNS settings. For the DMARC record, use the following format, _dmarc.yourdomain.com. In the value field, enter your desired DMARC policy, such as V equals DMARC1, P equals none. Save the DMARC record and allow time for changes to take effect. Return to Mailchimp to ensure that SPF and DKIM are fully verified. You are now set up to send authenticated emails from Mailchimp. Make sure to periodically check your domain status for ongoing compliance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.